in order to connect, right, you don't take out the AirPods first. You have to keep it inside the box. The case, and hold it near to your phone. And then after that, shut on me. Hello.
I'm Desiree.
Hi, I'm Sherman, and we're both from First Dance Studio. Yeah. Okay. I believe this is our first video that we'll be doing under First Dance Studio channel.
Yes.
Yay! And for our first video today,
we're gonna do a unboxing video for Airpods Pro. Airpods Pro, right?
Yeah. Oops. So today, right, we will be doing an unboxing video of the Airpods Pro. Yay! Yeah, I bought this from Challenger.
At $374.
Yeah. And I think the reason why we wanted to do our first video with this, right, is because like I've been wanting to get this for a very long time, and then I finally got my hands on this yesterday, and then like Desiree was saying, hey, why don't you just do an unboxing video lah? And I'm like, oh yeah,
because it's okay, I'm not a gadget person, so I still find almost $400 for a earphone is quite expensive for me.
Yeah, but right, I think it's quite a good buy actually, especially for dancers like us, right, that we always need to choreograph and all this as well. Okay, I'm not very professional when it comes to like headphones and all this lah. So I got myself some help today. I actually printed out some of the specifications, okay, that I can share with y'all lah. Okay, but I think I want to share with y'all like personally why I wanted to get the AirPods Pro for myself lah. Okay, I think there's three main things that really drew me to this AirPods Pro. I think the first being is that it's hands-free. So like a lot of us, many times where we need to choreograph and all this, right, it's better to have. No, it's quite troublesome, you know. You're choreographing something like then suddenly, you know, got wires here and there. Then you be like that, awkward.
Especially when you cannot use your loudspeaker.
Yeah.
Like in public places.
Yes, and then you know sometimes they will see like, hey, you crazy and then kind of siao.
Yeah. So we
wanted to get we wanted to get this. And then the second reason, I think the most important thing why I really like this is because it has this features, the noise cancellation feature, and I think that is really one of the features that actually attracted me.
So we'll see whether it's actually so magical.
Yeah, we'll try and see whether it's good or not. Okay, so and also the last thing why I wanted to get this is because Apple has been known for being really like easy to use, and they are always, you know, it's very easy. I mean, you can see from the packaging itself that like you just look around this, right? So it's very. What I heard is very easy to tear.
User friendly lah.
Yeah, very user friendly lah, basically. Okay, so you know, without further ado,
let's start.
Okay, so we're gonna start with peeling
this thing.
Yeah.
This white
Okay, you do
label.
it. You do the.
Okay, let me. Oh, so peel this way lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, you see, so user friendly.
At least I don't need a scissor. So yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, you don't need a scissor.
Yeah, I was thinking about that also. Yeah. So we open the box. Ding ding.
Yeah. Okay. Designed by Apple. Okay. And then after that, okay, you know what, you do it lah.
Actually, every time I see a box like this, 我会舍不得丢. But at the same time, I have no space to keep this. So yeah, 说明书. And here is the.
Oh, it's very sleek actually.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you open up, it's just one thing. That's it.
Yeah.
And
then below, okay, cable.
This is the
cable. Like
okay, let me get this part.
curl inside cable. And then what is this? What's this thing?
I think it's for you.
Oh, okay, the rubber.
The rubbery thing for your ear tips, rubber tips. Yeah, rubbery thing. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now we have this.
Oh, actually, it's very little things. $374.
Yes. Then,
Okay lah. The main thing is
peel
this.
it off. It's so pretty. So okay.
Yeah. Then remove this. More important.
This thing is matte. Actually, what do you call this? Matte, right?
Yeah, matte.
Yeah. And so small.
Yeah. Okay, apparently I mean I have the specifications here. So it says that the AirPods battery life is about 4.5 hours compared to the AirPods 2, and it's apart from that, right, and also the noise cancellation and all this, right, actually it's almost the same as the AirPods 2. But
Actually, you mean Pro comes after AirPods 2, right?
yes,
So the battery life is actually
shorter.
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 AirPods 2 is 5 hours, but now it's only 4.5 hours.
Yeah, but actually I feel that 4.5 hours, just half an hour only, I don't think it makes a huge difference. So it's actually okay for me. But aside from that, I think one of the biggest is also the, like what I said, like noise cancellation. The rest is the same. The system requirements is, the iOS is slightly better. It's the 13.2 compared to the AirPods 2. Yeah, so for all of you who have AirPods 2 already and considering to switch to AirPods Pro, this is good to know lah. Okay, so now we're gonna open this and we're gonna try out.
Okay, this is the so-called wireless charging case.
Yes. Oh, yes. One more thing about this is that this one, it already comes with a wireless charging case, but the AirPods 2, it doesn't have it. You have to purchase it separately. So I think that's also a plus point for the AirPods Pro. Okay.
So how do you open it?
So first, just open. Oh,
One thing I don't like about wireless earphone is that it's so easy to lose it.
yeah, that's true.
Without the wire, right, you could just drop it somewhere and you don't even realize then it's gone. It's $300 plus.
Yeah, so if I lose half, then I $150 more already. So you can see it's different from the AirPods Pro, AirPods 2, because the AirPods 2 is just there's no ear tips previously. So this one they have it, and this is a lot shorter already compared to the AirPods 2.
You mean this part?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a lot shorter. And actually I really like this because, you know, like if on the real yeah, so like if on the plane and all this, sometimes if you want to share with your partner, right, you can do so, you know, like
because when we watch video or we watch movie, we don't need to lean our head together anymore.
Yeah, you know, every time when we look, they must like that.
Yeah, very tiring.
The good thing about this is that it can be connected via Android phone as well. Just that
I use Android phone.
Just that you cannot be connected to, you can't use Siri lah. That's the only difference. That's the only thing. But aside from that, it can be paired with any other phones that you have.
So we shall try.
Let's try it.
A few moments later.
So now we're gonna try out the AirPods Pro, and then we'll do a quick review on this. Okay, one helpful tip for this is that because it took me quite a while to figure out how to connect it, so you have to leave it inside the case first,
and then you put it near to your phone.
Correct.
While you on your Bluetooth, then you can find inside the available devices, then you can connect. Must be inside the case.
Okay, come, let's try it now. Okay, so let me put it in. Wow, actually the moment I put it in, it kind of reduced the noise already. It's quite good.
Okay, let's play some music.
Okay. Come, let's try something.
Playing already?
Yeah. Just waiting for the bass to come in.
And up the volume. Okay, it's in the loudest already.
Ooh.
I cannot hear anything actually. Let me try. I can't hear anything. Because I'm actually playing at
I just tried pressing it and then it
jump to the next song, cut song. Actually, I'm playing at the highest volume.
What? I cannot hear it. What do you say?
I'm playing at the highest volume, but I cannot really hear on my side.
I see. I think you can adjust the volume here as well. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, you press once to play or pause. You double press to skip. Triple press to skip back. And then if you press and hold, you will activate the active noise cancellation.
Yeah, but anyway, it's all in the menu, so you can try yourself.
Yeah, it's it's really very easy to use and it's very user friendly. So I think.
And it looks very good. What do you looks very sleek.
Sleek, yes. Okay, let's try the active noise cancellation now. Okay. So it says that you press and hold. Oh, I can hear you now. Oh, I think I I think I already activated the noise cancellation. Okay, let's try it again. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Okay lah, I can still hear you a little bit.
But it's not
Yeah,
very...
but I think people don't usually in the subway they don't really scream, right? But I think like just normal talking beside me, I cannot really hear. Yeah. So actually I think it's
You're talking very loud.
yeah. You wanna try it? You try it. Okay.
I'm just thinking, will it be dangerous if I'm actually crossing the road and somebody
Oh
honks
yes, I think
and
so
I cannot
too.
hear, you know?
Yeah, I think so too. So I think one good thing is that we should, when we cross the road, we should try. Okay, actually generally we should not use the earphones while we're crossing the road. Yeah.
Okay, this is a bit too big for me though.
But you can switch it lah. You can change it to the smaller ones as well. For all you ladies over there who wanna change it. Let's try something like
The
bass.
sound quality is quite good.
Yeah, it's good, right?
And I feel it's very 3D. I don't know how to say 3D.
Surround system. Okay, let's try something hip hop. Yeah, like this. Actually, it looks very good. It took me quite a while. When Airpods 2 first came out, it took me quite a while to get used to it. But after a while, once I'm used to the look of it, right, actually it looks quite good. And now with the new AirPods, it actually looks quite amazing. Yes?
Let's share it.
Yeah, I'm gonna share it also. Yeah, you see, it's hands-free. So I think it's a good buy. Yeah. So we've come to the end of our unboxing video, and I think it's generally, if you ask me whether if it's a good buy, I think it's a good buy. Yeah, and especially for dancers like me or like choreographers out there and all this who's thinking of whether to get it, I say it's a good investment. Yeah, and it also looks good as well on top of anything else. Yeah.
But for me, I don't know. I don't spend money on earphones. I'm really scared that I lose it. So probably I will not buy it because 我对耳机没有很高的要求啦。So I don't know, $300 plus is quite a lot of money.
That's true. Yeah, and also on top of that, I think like aside from you losing it all the time, especially if you are very rough with any devices, it might still spoil lah.
Yeah.
So that's something to take note. But I think generally for whatever the reasons that I wanted to buy it for the noise cancellation, it's hands-free and it's also very easy to use. I think generally it's a good buy for me.
Hopefully it can last for very long.
I just hope that I don't lose it lah. But at least if you lose half of it, you can still use the other half. So I guess that's not a very bad thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some value in it. And let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like this. Okay?
Unboxing videos.
Yes, unboxing videos. Yeah. And we'll hope to see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.